Some amazing facts about starfish. Starfish are not actually fish, they are echinoderms, related to sea urchins and sand dollars. They have no brain and no blood, yet they can move, eat, and regenerate. Starfish pump seawater through their vascular system instead of having blood. Most starfish have 5 arms, but some species can have up to 50 arms. The crown-of-thorns starfish can have up to 21 arms and is covered in venomous spines. There are over 2,000 species of starfish found in oceans worldwide. Starfish have an endoskeleton made of calcium carbonate plates, which provide structure and protection. The average lifespan of a starfish ranges from 5 to 35 years, depending on the species. Starfish have 2 feet that help them move, cling to surfaces, and capture prey. They can move surprisingly fast, up to 9 feet (2.7 meters per minute in some species. Regeneration and anatomy. Starfish can regenerate entire arms if they are lost due to predation or injury. Some species, like the Lynchia, can regenerate an entirely new body from just one severed arm. The central disc of a starfish contains most of its vital organs. Starfish have eye spots at the tip of each arm that detect light and darkness. They lack a centralized brain but have a nerve ring that coordinates their movements. If a starfish is cut in half, both halves can survive and regenerate. Starfish can eject one of their arms to escape predators, a survival tactic called autotomy. Some species can split their bodies in half for asexual reproduction. Their bodies are covered in a thin epidermis that helps protect against bacteria and parasites. A starfish's body is radially symmetrical, meaning its body parts are arranged around a central point. Feeding and digestion. Starfish have a unique way of eating. They push their stomachs out of their mouths to digest food externally. They can consume prey that is much larger than their mouths, thanks to their reversible stomachs. Starfish mainly feed on mollusks like clams, oysters, and mussels. They use suction power from their 2 feet to pry open shellfish. Some species, like the sunflower starfish, are voracious predators and can eat up to 50 clams a day. Starfish have 2 stomachs, one for digestion and one for storing food. Some deep-sea species eat detritus, dead organic material, instead of hunting live prey. Starfish use chemical sensors in their 2 feet to detect food. Some starfish species absorb nutrients directly from the water. Certain species, like the cushion star, feed on corals and sponges. Reproduction and growth. Most starfish reproduce sexually, but some can reproduce asexually by dividing their bodies. A single female starfish can release millions of eggs into the ocean at one time. Starfish larvae look nothing like adult starfish and go through metamorphosis. Some species are hermaphrodites, meaning they have both male and female reproductive organs. Certain starfish species can change their sex depending on environmental conditions. Fertilization occurs externally in the water when males and females release sperm and eggs. Some species brood their young by carrying fertilized eggs under their arms. The lifespan of a starfish varies, but some species can live more than 30 years. Starfish larvae are free-swimming and drift with ocean currents before settling on the seafloor. The biscuit starfish produces a sticky secretion to protect its eggs. Survival and defense mechanisms. Starfish can detach their own arms to escape predators. Some starfish secrete slime or toxins to deter predators. The crown-of-thorns starfish is venomous and can cause painful wounds in humans. Starfish can camouflage by changing their color to blend in with their surroundings. Their hard, spiny exteriors help deter predators. Starfish have very few natural predators, but crabs, seabirds, and large fish may eat them. Some species have bright warning colors to signal that they are toxic. If turned upside down, A starfish can use its 2 feet to flip itself over. The leather starfish emits a garlic-like odor as a defense mechanism. A starfish can shrink if it doesn't have enough food to survive. Unique and rare species. The sunflower starfish is the largest, with up to 24 arms and a 3.3 foot 1 meter diameter. The pink short-spined starfish has soft, fuzzy spines that help with camouflage. The blue starfish is bright blue due to a unique pigment in its body. The bat star has webbed arms and looks different from most starfish. The chocolate chip starfish has dark, cone-shaped spikes on its body. The Egyptian starfish is one of the rarest starfish species. Some deep-sea starfish, like the bracingid starfish, have feathery arms for filter feeding. The sun star is a starfish with up to 12 arms and is a highly active predator. The royal starfish has a striking purple and orange coloration.